Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove the front bumper on Nissan Micra 12th generation. In order to remove the front bumper, we need to remove the two wheels and the mudguard on both sides so that we can get access to the bolts that hold the bumper. To make space to remove the mudguard, we need to remove the two front wheels. Here now we can see the two bolts that hold the front bumper on one side, and on the other side it's exactly the same. Here are two bolts that hold the front bumper on the other side. Next, we remove the bolts that hold the bumper on the bottom. Next, we remove a couple of clips that hold the front bumper on top. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. And after we've removed everything holding the bumper, we can then remove the bumper. And that's it. Thank you for watching.